Hello fine people in YouTube land. I would like to show you today the iFlight Xing motor. I chose to get the 2306 2750 kV motor. As you can see, you'll have a marking on yours so that you know which one you got. So there it is, the 2306 2750 kV motor. And let's unbox this thing and see what we got today. Nicely packed. Got foam on the top, foam in the middle. Keep everything nice and tight. We got a locking prop nut right here that matches the motor. And you get 4 motor screws for mounting. Okay, and we've got a motor here. Woohoo, look at this thing. This thing is pretty. All right, so here it is, the Xing from iFlight 2306 2750 kV motor. Nicely built. It's got the naked bottom set up. All right, so this is new, I guess, for me to see this little protection for your motor wires. I don't think you see that on many motors, but today we see it on these. So it's got some really cool matching purple wire to go with your whole setup. And if you're like me, you want a whole color scheme going, oh my gosh, that is a pretty motor. All right, we've got a hollow shaft. Okay, and our bell is secured by a, I think that's an M3 bolt there. Okay, and let's see, I'm gonna weigh this with 4 mounting screws and all the wire plus the cable that it comes with, the length of cable. It's a pretty nice length of cable. I've got a 5-inch flyer here, and this motor wire will take it all the way across to the other side of the FC from the mounting point. So if you need something that long, I guess if you had a 6-inch quad, that will work for you. So, hold on, I need these wires to stay up or else it's not going to weigh properly. So the motor by itself with just the with just the wires is, I'm getting a reading of 33.36 grams. With the lock nut, it's going to 33.81, and with the mounting screws, I've got a total weight of 3572, and that's in grams. So if you're all worried about your weight, that's what the weight would be. And let's just add a prop to see what it would weigh, each motor plus a prop. Right here I've got the I forgot what prop this is. This is the Cyclone. Well, we got the T5249c. Let's just throw that on there. And we've got a total weight of 99 grams with everything included. So that's what you could expect, at least for the weight. Like I said, this is just an unboxing so you can see what this motor looks like. It's a very nicely made motor. It's very pretty. It feels good in the hand. It feels like it's milled out of aluminum. And here we get some of this down here on the bottom and see what it is doing with the underside, with the windings and all that good fancy stuff. If you ever care to see that stuff, Here it is. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you. As you can see, I'm in the process of putting these on my Black Widow quadcopter from Turbomock Drones, which is no longer in business, unfortunately. And as you can see, I decided to braid my motor wires only because I could not do it the other way. But it's kind of an idea of what it's going to look like as a complete build. I'm ready to get up and do my thing. So, all right, guys, I'm going to let you go. You guys enjoy your day. Fly safe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If not, I hope it at least helped you to understand what you might be getting if you decide to purchase the iFlight Xing motor. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.